What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got my Mini 2 and this. Let's get into it. So something I have always struggled with is the color of the Mini 2 when it gets up into the sky and it's flying up against the background of some clouds or on a really bright day. I struggle to see it, and to be honest with you, unless I can hear it, and I'm obviously looking down on my remote control to see where it is in terms of, you know, its bird's eye view and where it's tracking on the map, I can't really see it physically with my eyes, and that's not a good thing. I don't think for any drone pilot. You always want to have some visibility of your drone if it's close by, and it might be my eyesight. I'm not sure if you struggle with the same thing, but the way around this for me was I started to think about how can I actually give this a way that I could see it, and I thought about putting some lights on it, and then I didn't really like that idea. So I wanted to give it a practical way to make it more visible during, you know, really bright days when it's up against clouds and, you know, flying up in the sky somewhere, but also to see if I can give it a facelift in the meantime. And so what I've been working on is vinyl decals. Now these decals are made from a really high quality vinyl, and basically what I'm doing is I'm starting to create a whole bunch of different colors and test out what these vinyls actually look like on my Mini 2. It's a real high gloss black decal for this one. I've got also a purple one I'm working on, a camo one, which will be really cool. I can't wait to see what that one looks like. But let's get into today's video and come decal my Mini 2 with me. So these decals, they're already going to become cut out. You can see some of the actual design being cut out into the vinyl. So you won't have to do anything when you get these. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick on a couple of these and then let's see what it looks like. I'm not gonna show you the entire decal process, but I'm gonna show you the beginning, kind of stick on the main parts, and then I'm gonna show you the finished product. Be careful to not tear any of that. Try not to touch too much of the actual sticky part of it either. And then all I'm gonna do is open up my drone. Just gonna have it like that. I've given it a bit of a clean with just like a really light alcohol wipe. Press down the corners, and then what you got to try and do is then line up the rest. I haven't got the line up on the front here the way I would like it, so I'm gonna try kind of re-stick this down. Give me a sec. You gotta line up these screws properly, and the other thing you want to do is when you do stick on the bottom, you want to make sure that you don't cover up any of these sensors or any of the airflow pockets. So be really careful when you actually do this yourself. Alright, I'm gonna move on to this. It's starting to look really, really cool. Now you will have little imperfections, like let's not forget this is a really sticky vinyl. So if you don't actually squeeze out these air bubbles, you'll end up with some corners that are a little bit off, and you may have to just re-stick it, but I'm being a little bit quick because obviously if I'm here doing this for the whole video, you will not enjoy watching me do that. So All right, so you saw some of that. I'm gonna get to the other parts. I'm gonna stick down a couple more of these decals. That looks so cool. I could probably leave it like that. This vinyl is high quality. It's not the cheap stuff. So what I wanted to make sure was that I had a surface that was also going to protect the Mini 2 a little bit as well. So this vinyl is actually going to protect it from any kind of little scratches. If you do end up flying it through branches or something, this vinyl will protect the actual drone itself. It's not going to stop any really harsh and physical damage, but it will stop like little dents and scratches, you know, stone chips, all that kind of stuff. So I'm back. I finished the drone decal and I gotta say, it looks pretty cool. Take a look at this. All in all, it went really well. As you can see, the drone looks cool. I know for sure I'll be able to see this now when I'm flying around. I've got this kind of all black stealth looking one. I was trying to come up with a name for it, and I think I'm gonna call it the Black Hawk. I don't know, let's see. I've also got another one which I did, which was a gunmetal gray, and I'm calling that one Phantom, and that looks really cool as well. But this is probably my favorite one so far. It's this black accents on the drone make it look so cool and really unique. It's an awesome way to customize your drone, give it a facelift, as well as, you know, practically help you see it when you're flying in the daytime up against clouds. I'm not going to have that problem anymore. I do have more decals that I want to experiment with. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are into decals and decaling your drones specifically, and what you think about this decal. I am thinking about creating more of these and putting them available on my website. If you're also interested in purchasing some of them, let me know. I think they're an awesome way to protect your drone, as I mentioned to you before. So I think that this will serve many purposes as I'm flying, but man, I just love looking at it. All right, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.